Hello children, in previous class we have discussed about administrative divisions of Karnataka and contributions of Bengaluru division in the field of agriculture, art, literature, etc. Today let us continue the lesson about Karnataka. Now let us learn about contributions of Bengaluru division in the field of education and health. Bengaluru division has achieved immensely in the field of education. Two recipients of Bharat Ratna Award, the highest civilian honor of India, are from Kolar district of Bengaluru division. They are Professor C.N. Rao and Sir C.V. Raman. Bengaluru is an important center of education. There are many famous public and private universities in this division. Tumakuru, Bengaluru, Shivamogga and Davangere have universities. There are many religious institutes are also providing education in Bengaluru division. You all know that Siddhaganga Mutt provides food and education to thousands of students even today. It has contributed immensely under the leadership of Sri Shivakumara Swamiji. You may be knowing children, unfortunately he was died on 21st January 2019. Another important religious educational institution, that is Adi Chunchanagiri Mutt, under the leadership of Sri Balagangadharanatha Swamiji is also providing education in the field of basic and professional education. Other religious educational institutions are Murugarajendra Mutt and Sirigere Taralabalu Mutt of Chitradurga, which belongs to the Bengaluru division. Dear children, now let us study about health. Bengaluru division has achieved considerable progress in the field of health. It has contained contagious diseases. Contagious disease, which means an infectious disease that is spread through contact with infected individuals. Smallpox and polio have been eradicated completely. Monkey disease prevalent in the forest regions of Shivamogga has also been completely eradicated. In spite of all this effort, children and women in rural areas still suffering from malnutrition. In rural areas, primary health centers and health sub-centers to provide the medical facilities to the rural people. Taluk centers have taluk hospitals. Bigger towns and villages have community health centers. Mobile health facilities are there to provide better facilities to pregnant women. In these ways, they are providing health facilities to the people. Children, now let us learn about freedom fighters. K.C. Reddy, the first Chief Minister of Mysore State, Kengal Hanmantayya, S. Nijalingappa, Shantaveri Gopalagowda, Kadidal Manjappa, many others had participated in the freedom struggle. They belong to the Bengaluru division. Next one is cultural resources. Bengaluru division is very rich culturally. It is rich with forest, wild animals, rivers, valleys, religious places, cultural festivals and others. The chief architect of Karnataka integration, Kengal Hanumanthai, is from this division. The Vidhan Saudha building was built during his tenure as the chief minister. Another important person who played an important role in the Karnataka integration movement is Nijalingappa. He also undertook many important programs aimed at building a strong state. These two persons belongs to the Bengaluru division. Children, how many districts are there in Bengaluru division? There are 9 districts in Bengaluru division. First one is Bengaluru urban district. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. There are 4 taluks in Bengaluru urban district: Bengaluru North, Bengaluru South, Bengaluru East and Anekal. Vidhana Saudha, the administrative center of Karnataka state government, is in Bengaluru urban district. Children, which is the highest court of law in the state? High Court is the highest court of law in the state. It is located in Bengaluru urban district. Lal Bagh and Kabban Park that were established during the British rule. Bannerghatta National Park is in Bengaluru urban district. Some famous temples are there in Bengaluru urban district. They are Someshwara Temple of Alsuru, Gavigangadhareshwara Temple, Dodda Basavana Temple, etc. There are many churches which are more than a century old. St. Andrew's Church, St. Joseph Church, etc. Many masjids that are sacred to Muslims are also there. Sangin Jamia Masjid, Juma Masjid, Jamia Masjid, etc. Children, now let us learn about Bengaluru Rural District. This district came into existence in 1986. There are 4 taluks in this district: Nelamangala, Doddaballapura, Devanahalli and Vaskote. Kempegowda International Airport is in Devanahalli. Next one is Ramanagara District. Ramanagara District was formed on 23rd August 2007. There are 4 taluks in this district: Chenpatna, Kanakapura, Ramanagara and Magadi. This district is the fastest growing industrial hub of Karnataka. This district is famous for 2 products. They are Chenpatna wooden toys and silk. Next one is Chikkaballapura district. Kolar district was divided to create Chikkaballapura district. It was formed on November 10th, 2007. There are 6 taluks in this district: Chikkaballapura, Gauribidanuru, Bagepalli, Shirlughatta, Gudibande and Chintamani. Nandi Durga is a famous hill station. Temples of Yoganandishwara and Bhoganandishwara are here. Vidurashata is a historical place present in Gauribidanuru Taluk. In 1938, flag satyagraha was held against the British. A memorial is also built here in memory of that event. Shirlughatta is a business center. It is famous for its silk business. Children, now let us learn about Kolar district. There are 5 taluks in Kolar district: Bangarpete, Kolar, Mulabagilu, Maluru and Srinivasapura. The main occupations of the district are agriculture, dairying, floriculture and silk production. Floriculture means the cultivation of flowers. Antaragange is an important historical place. Next one is Tumakuru district. Tumakuru district was formed in the year 1832. It is well known for its coconut. It is one of the largest districts of Karnataka. It has 10 taluks. They are Koratagire, Gubbi, Pavagada, Chikkanayakkanahalli, Kunigal, Turvekere, Tipturu, Madugiri, Sira and Tumakuru. Madugiri has monolith hill which is the only one in Asia. Devarayana Durga is very famous place in Tumakuru district. This is about Tumakuru district. Next one is Chitradurga district. Chitradurga is famous for its 7-ringed fort. There are 6 taluks in Chitradurga district: Chitradurga, Hiriyuru, Challakere, Vasadurga, Holalkere and Molakalmuru. This district is known for its Palegaras. Madakari Nayaka was a famous Palegara. Vanake Obava is a brave woman who fought against Hyder Ali. She belongs to Chitradurga district. Next one is Davanagere district. Davanagere district was formed by dividing Chitradurga in 1997. It has 6 taluks. They are Harihara, Harapanahalli, Channagiri, Honnalli, Jagluru and Davanagere. During 1960s, Davanagere was famous for its textile production, so it was called as Manchester of Karnataka. The biggest lake in South India, Shanti Sagar, is in Channagiri Taluk of Davanagere district. Dear children, Now let us study about Shivamogga district. It is famous for its scenic beauty. There are 7 taluks in Shivamogga district: Tirthahalli, Sagara, Soraba, Bhadravati, Shivamogga, Shikaripura and Hosanagara. Shankaraghatta is the home to Kuvempu University. Kuppali is the birthplace of our national poet Kuvempu. Jog Falls is the highest waterfall in Asia, is in Sagara Taluk of Shivamogga district. Agumbe in Tirthahalli Taluk of Shivamogga district receives the highest rainfall in Karnataka. Kuvempu and Dr. U.R. Ananthamurthy, the recipients of Jnanapita Award, are from Tirthahalli Taluk. National award winning singer Shivamogga Subbanna is from this district. Dear children, this is about Bengaluru division. Thank you.